Affirming our true identity is a daily practice. You might try saying these statements out loud. I am healing and I am growing every day. I am not my past. I am my choices today. I am loved, I am valuable, and I am enough. And for those who find strength in faith, I am a precious child of God, created with purpose and worth. These kinds of personal affirmations may feel silly or make you uncomfortable at first, but repeating these affirmations daily reinforces this important truth. You are a whole and valuable person. It might take some time and repetition to truly start believing it, so tape the words or statements that you need to believe about yourself on your mirror or on your desk to help serve as a reminder of these truths. I want you to take a deep breath, close your eyes if that feels comfortable, and ask yourself, who am I beyond this struggle? Who am I beyond what has happened to me? If you feel comfortable, grab a journal and write down your thoughts. You don't have to have all the answers right now, but just starting to ask the question is a step forward. Your identity is bigger than addiction. Your identity is bigger than betrayal. And your identity is bigger than your past. If you take just one thing from this video, let it be this. You are worthy of healing. You are not broken. You are not beyond hope. Taking responsibility and facing consequences is not the same as eroding your identity. We are all able to take radical responsibility, face hard things that are the result of our choices, while also addressing the shame that causes us to diminish our identity. Healing is a journey, and rediscovering who you are is a huge part of that journey. So be patient with yourself. Keep reminding yourself of the truth. You are more than your struggles. You are not alone, and you are enough.